Hello everyone! On Steve's screen is a course created directly on the AI So Easy platform that we're experiencing today. Before we dive into the details, have you noticed that our URL has changed? From now on, the entire Alvin AI system has been officially synchronized with AI So Easy on a single unified platform. This change makes it easier for you to identify and manage all AI tools in a more centralized and professional way. Returning to the main feature, the most notable point here is that it allows us to package all prompt sets and scattered knowledge into a complete product that can be sold immediately for $5. Compared to sharing prompts in a messy way through doc files or groups, this method is far more optimal. Everything is systematized in a very neat and polished manner. Additionally, a big plus is that we don't need to touch any lines of code, nor do we have to complicate things by setting up external payment gateways, because the system already has everything integrated. In today's video, Steve will share his real-life experience and guide you step by step to set up your own branded course in just a few minutes. Let's get started with Steve. To begin, from the main management interface, please look at the menu bar on the left with Steve. We'll go to the Creator section, open the Content tab, and select Courses. This navigation path is very intuitive and easy to find even for beginners. This is the overview interface for managing your courses. The system clearly displays all the necessary statistics, from the total number of courses, the number published, to the total number of lessons and even unfinished drafts. Right below is the list of products you have created. For example, the Hack AI course that Steve introduced earlier. To create a new course, you just need to click the green Create Course button at the top right corner of the screen. At this point, the detailed setup interface will appear. And before starting to fill in the information, Steve wants to share a practical tip to optimize your time. Steve always prepares all the content in advance, from the title to the description, in an external draft file. Later, we just need to copy and paste it into the system, which is both quick and helps avoid unnecessary mistakes. The interface is designed with a streamlined two-step process. We'll start with step 1, add sources. Simply put, this is the step where you input data so that the system's AI can help generate your course content. A major advantage is that the platform supports a wide variety of data sources. You can paste a text passage, upload a file, use a video, or even drop a direct URL link here. This feature helps us optimize the time spent creating lesson plans to the maximum. After uploading your data, we move on to step 2, course details. This is where you set up the information that will be displayed directly to learners. Applying the preparation experience from earlier, Steve opens the draft file, copies the title into the course title box, and then continues to copy the detailed content into the description box. As you can see, it takes less than 10 seconds to complete the content framework. Next, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the cover media section. This is where you upload a cover image or an introductory video for the course. An eye-catching image or video plays a major role in determining the conversion rate and purchase clicks from users. The system supports popular formats like PNG and JPG with a maximum file size of up to 5 megabytes. Just design a polished thumbnail, then click here to upload it, and you'll have completed the basic display section. After completing the basic content, let's scroll down with Steve to the important section to start monetizing. Access type, access rights. By default, the system sets it to free. When you click to open this menu, you'll have an additional option, members only, to restrict access to your own community. However, our goal today is to generate direct revenue, so Steve will select the paid option. At this point, the price setup interface will appear very intuitively. Steve will enter the original price as $8. Next, for the discount price, Steve will set it to $5. Notably, the system has a very effective feature called Discount Ends At. Steve will set the discount period to end at 11:57 p.m. on March 31st, 2026. This is a good psychological trick to create a FOMO effect, which is the fear of missing out, helping to prompt learners to decide to purchase your course immediately instead of hesitating. Everything is ready. We just need to review everything once and proceed to publish so the course can start reaching customers. Next, look down to the Publish Course option. Remember to click and turn this switch to green. This action ensures that as soon as the course is published, it will be publicly visible to all members on the system and can be purchased immediately. After filling in all the required information, please scroll back up for Steve. At this point, the two navigation buttons, Save Draft and Publish, are now highlighted and ready for use. Double check that everything is in order. We simply click on this green Publish button, and here is the result. The system takes us back to the dashboard management page. As you can see, the course Hack AI with AI So Easy has officially been published with a prominent green published label. The promotional price of $5 has also been updated accurately. The entire setup process went very smoothly without needing to touch any code or use any external payment plugins. The course has been successfully published. Are you curious to see how it will appear from the customer's perspective? Let's check out the results with Steve right now. From the left menu bar, click on Creator Community and then go to the Overview section. Next, look to the right corner of the screen and click on the Preview button with the eye icon. This is how we can preview exactly what customers will actually experience. At this point, the system will open the landing page interface of our community. Scroll down to the Featured Courses section. The course Hack AI with AI So Easy is now displayed right on the homepage with a polished cover image and an attractive $5 price. Let's try clicking on the Learn More button. Immediately, a complete sales page was automatically generated. From the lecture video frame, detailed target audience description, to this green Buy Course Now button for closing sales. Everything is fully synchronized, helping you save maximum time since you don't have to redesign any interface. The sales interface is already very polished. The entire process of setting up the course framework takes just a few minutes and is highly optimized. To complete this product, the next step we need to do is set up the lecture content. Right after this, Steve will guide you on how to directly upload videos and attach documents to each lesson in a professional way. Let's move on to the next section with Steve. Go back to the management page, look at the menu on the left, open the content section and click on Lessons. Let's get started right away. This is the main dashboard for all the lessons. To add a new lesson, the steps are very familiar. You just need to move your mouse to the top right corner and click on this green lesson, Add Lesson button. At this point, the lesson setup interface will appear. One thing Steve really appreciates about this system is its logic. The process is already broken down into 3 detailed steps. Step 1. Add sources, where you provide input data by uploading files, pasting text, or adding a video link. Lesson details is where we set up the title, content, and related settings. Step 3. Curriculum items, the area to upload lecture videos, add quizzes, assignments, or articles. But please pay attention to the notification line below. The system requires us to click Save for the lesson first before we can add videos in Step 3. Or you can use the AI feature right in Step 1 to have the system automatically generate all the learning materials. A very smart and streamlined workflow. Let's analyze it right away. Step 1. Add sources. Simply put, this is when we provide the materials for the system to automatically create the curriculum. You have 4 flexible options. Paste the text directly, upload a document file, use an existing video, or even faster, just drop a URL link here. The system will automatically read, analyze, and suggest accurate lesson content. This feature truly optimizes your time very effectively. To demonstrate how quick and convenient it is, Steve will work directly with the Text tab. Stick to the workflow that Steve shared at the beginning of the video. All the lecture content, main ideas, or scripts have already been drafted by Steve in an external file. Our job now is simply to copy and paste. You just need to copy the prepared content and paste it directly into this box. This step helps us avoid mistakes and maintain a continuous workflow. It only takes 3 seconds to complete the input data entry. And here's the result after pasting the content. Look down here, everyone. The system has recorded the first data source. Pay special attention to this green Generate Lesson Content button that's now lit up. If you click here, AI So Easy's AI will immediately read and understand the data and automatically draft the entire lesson content for us. A very smart and streamlined process. However, in today's demo, so that you can truly understand the essence and core structure of a lesson, Steve will not use the automatic feature, but will guide you through the manual steps. Let's continue with Steve to step 2 to set up the details. Welcome to step 2, Lesson Details. This is where we shape the framework for the lesson. The interface is very intuitive. First, in the course box, open the list and select the correct course we just created. Next, in the lesson title box, we simply copy and paste the lesson name here. Following that is the video URL section. The system is very flexible, allowing you to directly insert links from YouTube, Vimeo, or the original video link. You don't need to upload large video files to the server, just paste the link and you're done. Right next to it is the duration box. Steve will enter 15 minutes so that learners know the duration and can proactively arrange their study time. Finally, in this step, we have the lesson content section. The editing interface here provides a full set of tools similar to Microsoft Word, from bold and italic formatting to bullet points and image insertion. You just need to copy the entire script content or the lecture summary from your prepared file and paste it directly into this white box. It's perfect. The first and most important thing in step 2 is to determine which course this lesson belongs to. It's very simple. You just need to click on the course box. Immediately, your list of courses will be displayed. We will select the correct name, Hack AI with AI So Easy, which we created earlier. The system will automatically link this lesson to the correct position. Next, in the lesson title box, we again perform the copy and paste operation. Open your prepared content file, copy the lesson title, and paste it here. The working speed is noticeably optimized. Specifically, the topic Steve has chosen to demo for you today is a very interesting trick. Guide to using Hitfile AI to create multi-clone videos. Steve will paste this topic title directly into the lesson title box. Next is the video URL box. Do you remember the very captivating video we once watched on the TikTok AI So Easy channel with the message, "Let's turn AI into a money-making tool instead of following silly trends"? Steve will take the direct link to that video and insert it here. Steve will insert that direct link here so students can immediately review the final product. And today's lesson is a detailed step-by-step guide to creating that high-quality video.
This is how you can make money from AI. Instead of using the motion control feature in Clip to follow silly trends, use it to make money. Now you can easily build your own TikTok channel and attach affiliate links. Don't know how to dance? Don't worry, AI can do it for you. Or even better, you can create your own KYC to promote your product like this. This sweater is made from premium wool, perfect for winter. Click on the shopping cart to get an amazing discount right now. AI has now reached a whole new level. Comment below if you want to know the detailed steps. And don't forget to follow AI So Easy to stay updated with more interesting information about AI.
Turning a real-life case study into a course is a very practical approach. In the duration box, Steve will quickly enter 15 minutes so that learners can easily follow along. Next is the detailed content section of the lesson. As Steve has shared, he has already prepared all the step-by-step instructions, from accessing the tool to selecting the character. We will once again copy and paste directly into this editing interface. You can see that the editing box preserves the formatting very clearly, making it easy for learners to follow and practice right away. Once the content section is complete, we move on to the final step. Step 3. Curriculum items. This area is designed for you to attach additional files such as exercises, quizzes, or reference materials. However, please note that the system requires us to save the lesson first before we can use this attachment feature. This is a smart mechanism that ensures the content data you entered in step 2 is always preserved. The operation is very simple. You just need to scroll up to the top right corner of the screen. Here we have two options: Save Draft to save as a draft, or Publish to publish the lesson. Steve will choose the green Publish button. the lesson has been saved and automatically updated in the system. Immediately, the Step 3 area will be fully displayed so you can attach additional learning materials. The process of creating a professional lesson, integrating real-life videos from TikTok as case studies, takes just a few minutes. Very efficient and professional. After you click Save Draft, scroll back down to Step 3. Do you see that? All the supplementary features are now ready for you to use. The system is fully equipped with options, from adding videos and creating quizzes, assigning homework, to attaching supplementary articles. If you have instructional materials in PDF format, Word files, or source code packages to give to students, just select Upload Document in this top right corner to upload them. The process is very streamlined. Especially, pay attention to the Generate button that's currently highlighted. This is a powerful automation feature. If you want to save even more time, just click here. The platform's AI will analyze the data from Step 1 to automatically suggest suitable assignments, quizzes, and supplementary materials, so you don't have to prepare them manually. A truly automated process. However, for today's tutorial on creating a video clone using HitFile, the text content and the actual video links Steve attached are already very detailed. We don't need any additional supplementary materials. Now scroll to the top and click the green Publish button to officially put this lesson on the shelf. After clicking Publish in Step 3, we return to the lesson's dashboard. You can see that our lesson, Guide to Using HitFile, is now showing a professional-looking green Publish status. Everything is 100% ready. To be sure, let's go back to the community landing page from earlier. Steve will press F5 to reload the page. See that? The information on the course card has automatically updated to show one lesson. Let's click inside to see the actual appearance in detail. And this is exactly the interface your students will experience. The course lesson section has been fully updated with content. So the process of creating and packaging a standard course has been completed smoothly. By the way, this very course, Hack AI with AI So Easy, is also where Steve has packaged all the practical and exclusive prompt sets. If you want to immediately own these effective keyword sets to create engaging videos, just click the Buy Course Now button on the screen or the link Steve has provided in the description below. I hope today's video has helped you feel more confident in turning your knowledge into a source of passive income. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the AI So Easy channel so you won't miss any new tips. And now, goodbye and see you inside the course.